This is the Chinese cooking channel called Chinese Cooking Channel. With the pandemic, we can't travel around, so I can't go to China to have street food. So I have to make my own. That's crispy. Wow, that's good.
Before I show you my recipe for a green onion pancake, let's see how it's made over in Shanghai, China.
加拿大人，我父母中国人。加拿大。加拿大。So this is like grilled onion. Grilled onion. Let's see what it is. Like a biscuit. It's a grilled onion biscuit. Press it out. 这个好吃吗？ A lot of people waiting for this biscuit. So they actually put a piece of fat in the biscuit. That's why it tastes so good. Put a little piece of fat in the biscuit. That's why it tastes so good. Put some of that yellow liquid stuff on the biscuit.
您用干糖，就葱油饼，2个葱油饼。
And then you put a little piece of fat in it. So the fat is the secret to making a fantastic biscuit. That's what it is. I'm going to have another one. The first one was really good. Really crispy and tasty. And the fat is the secret to making this biscuit tasty. After they grill the biscuits, go into the oven. And then that's why it gets really, really crispy. Have another one. Have another one right now. It's the piece of fat that makes this tasty. I'm going to get a fresh one here, so I'll wait a few minutes. So this is my second green onion biscuit. I'm going to really enjoy this. The first one was fantastic. First crispy on the outside, soft in the middle. Got really tasty taste. Got little spices in there. Yummy.
To make the green onion pancake, start with 2 cups of all-purpose flour. That's about 300 grams. And then you add half a teaspoon of salt. Mix the salt into the flour. Then gradually add half a cup of boiling water. Use a pair of chopsticks or fork to mix in the boiling water into the flour. Then gradually add a 1/4 cup of cold water. So this way you'll make the green onion pancake crispy on the outside, soft and flaky on the inside.
You just knead this flour for 3 to 4 minutes. You can use a paper towel too if you like. So I'm just going to put this wet towel, and we're going to wait for about an hour. It's been more than an hour, so we'll just check the dough right now. So it looks pretty good. So we're just going to knead it for another 3 or 4 minutes.
To make each green onion pancake, roll up a piece of dough and pat a little cooking oil on the top and the bottom. Then roll out the piece of dough, starting from the middle to the outside.
So now I'm just going to put some of this, it's teaspoon of cornstarch and a tablespoon of peanut oil. You can use any kind of cooking oil. So you put this right on the dough. So now we're just going to put some green onions down. So just like that. So next, you just roll the green onions from the top there, and then you roll the green onions from the side. Tuck it in, just like that, and then just going to give a little twist in the top just to hold it in. Now I'm just going to press it down, just like that. So next step is just to grill this. So this is the green onion pancake. It's got the pan going at just under medium heat. Been preheating for a while. So now I'm just going to put the pancake down. Put about 3 or 4 tablespoons of cooking oil on the pan. I'm going to put a little more oil around the side. I'm going to flip the pancake now. I'm going to press it down. You can add some spice powder. So you can add this with the green onions, or you can add it right now, just before you take off the green onion pancake. So the way I cook this Chinese pancake, I preheat the pan first, cook it on a lower temperature, less than medium, and then just cook it over a longer period of time so you get a real nice crispy crust. So just flip the pancake over. So there you have it, a popular Chinese street food. This is the green onion pancake made from your own kitchen. Enjoy. So this is the Chinese street food. This is green onion pancake. You can make right in your own home kitchen. I've had the Chinese pancake in Beijing, Xi'an, Shanghai, a lot of different places. Now you can make it in your own home kitchen.
Thanks for checking out my video. Please like and subscribe. Any comments are always welcome. Take care and stay safe.